The Code of Criminal Procedure complements and elaborates on many of the rights found in both the U.S. and Texas Constitution. We'll talk about these various Code of Criminal Procedure rights in this screencast. The Code of Criminal Procedure states, "The people shall be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and possessions from all unreasonable searches or seizures." Further, no warrant to search any place or to seize any person or thing shall be issued without describing them as near as may be, or without probable cause, and supported by oath or affirmation. The Code of Criminal Procedure is more specific than the Eighth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. It states all prisoners are eligible for bail except for capital offenses when proof is evident. It does not prohibit pretrial detention. The Code of Criminal Procedure protects against excessive bail or fines and states there may not be any cruel or unusual punishment. The Code of Criminal Procedure is different than the U.S. Constitution in at least one area. The U.S. Constitution allows habeas corpus to be suspended in time of war or national emergency. The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure states the writ of habeas corpus is a writ of right and shall never be suspended. The Code of Criminal Procedure states no person for the same offense shall twice be put in jeopardy of life or liberty. This is essentially protection from double jeopardy. There is one rare exception in the Code of Criminal Procedure, however. There is no double jeopardy unless the defendant was acquitted in a court not having jurisdiction of the offense. This is referred to as acquittal a bar. Here is perhaps an extreme example to illustrate acquittal a bar. A defendant is arrested for an offense right on the border of two counties. County A takes him into custody and tries him, and he's found not guilty. But after the verdict, it's discovered the offense was actually committed in County B. Since County A did not have jurisdiction, the defendant can now be brought to County B and retried. This is not considered double jeopardy. It's called acquittal a bar. Next in the Code of Criminal Procedure, every person may speak, write, or publish their opinion on any subject, but is liable for abuse. This means slander or libel. Next, no law shall be passed curtailing liberty of speech or the press. The Code of Criminal Procedure also states no person shall be disqualified to testify because of their religion, and no person shall be exempt from perjury because they don't believe in God. One aspect of the Code of Criminal Procedure is similar to the Texas Constitution. It states no person shall be outlawed or involuntarily removed from the state. In other words, you can't be run out of town on a rail. The Code of Criminal Procedure states all proceedings and trials are open to the public. Defendants shall also be confronted by witnesses, except in certain cases where depositions have been taken. Finally, the Code of Criminal Procedure states, in a case not covered by the CCP, common law will be applied.